If you're a graphic designer, it could be very tempting to add noise to your projects. It's a cliche I've seen all too well. Today, I'll share one of my favorite Photoshop effects that will hopefully give you another option before resorting to using noise again on your projects. Let's get into it. This Photoshop effect is reticulation. By definition, reticulation is an arrangement of interlacing lines resembling a net, but in the world of photography, it means a network of wrinkles or cracks in a photographic emulsion. Fun fact, a photographic emulsion is a light-sensitive coating on photographic film, which is used to capture images when the coating is exposed to light. But why are there cracks and wrinkles? Well, most modern emulsions are made up from a gelatin, which is dried animal cartilage, dried animal bones. This photographic process is known as the gelatin silver process, which is the fundamental chemical process for modern analog color photography. The cracks and wrinkles are formed by overexposure of light, quickly damaging the emulsion. You can use this effect in a variety of ways. Let me first show you how to find it. The reticulation effect is found by going to Filter, Filter Gallery, opening the sketch group, and locating reticulation. You will be greeted with the density slider, foreground level slider, and background level slider. Side note, whatever colors your primary and secondary swatches are will be your foreground and background for this effect. Have fun and experiment with this effect. I like to duplicate my original layer and add the effect on the top layer, and then I experiment with the blending modes. This can create a very cracky, vintage, cool looking film look for your projects. Before you add noise to your projects, try out this effect and show off what you've learned. Subscribe if you'd like more content like this. I hope I was able to teach you something new, and thank you for watching.